open the locks up. You can extend this out to be a 6-foot or an 8-foot extension ladder, step ladder, whatever you need. The nice thing about this, you can offset this. Both sides can offset. So if you're working on a staircase, you need to have one side up a couple of steps up higher. That's easy to do, or you can just drop it down and lock both sides in, and you've got your 6-foot or 8-foot step ladder. If what you really need is to get up onto the roof of the house and you need an extension ladder, that's easy to do as well. Just back up these two locks, you pull them in, open the ladder up, and then you just extend both ends out, lock them in place, and you're all set to go. So we've used this ladder. One of the great things about this ladder when you're working with it is it's got a very wide base, gives you a nice stable footprint, holds it nice and steady while you're working on it. It's a very stable ladder, solid, it's not shaking around while you're up there while you're trying to step up, and it made it very easy to put these lights up in the garage. The top also flares out, so it gives you a little more room to work up there, hold some tools up there with.